Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is HPMV6122E. I want to show you how to set this printer up and connect it to a Wi-Fi network for the first time with computer. Then you select your language, English. You have selected English as your language. You can select the language you want, then confirm the language. Then select your region, hp.com/start/mv. Encartridge is installed, then you select OK. We show you preparing the printer. Then it will show you alignment needed. Then select align. Cartridge alignment. Place the alignment page on the scanner glass and then touch scanner. So take the paper face down. So the three dots need to start from the top. 1, 2, 3 on this side of the paper, face down. Then select scan. Scanning the alignment page. Cartridge alignment. %. Cartridge alignment complete. Printer is now calibrated for best print quality. It will show you install the HP software. Then you select this question mark. Then select this. Select exit. Fireware update. Select next. Select auto. Select save. Select continue. We'll show you for you to set the date. Select the region, Europe, time zone, Europe. Scroll down to select UK, select apply, then date. Select the date, select apply, then you can select the time, select apply, select continue. It will show you thank you for choosing HP, then show you the screen. Then if you want to set the printer up, you can select menu, scroll down to the settings, select settings, then select network, select Wi-Fi network, switch Wi-Fi on, make sure the Wi-Fi is on, then select Wi-Fi setup, select start. Searching for the wireless router, then it will show you the wireless router available. Then you select on particular one, select on the network, then it will ask you to enter the password. So I have the Wi-Fi password, so I'm going to enter the details, select on the square, then it will show you type the Wi-Fi password. So double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. Then select OK. The next thing to do is you need to select submit. Select OK. Will show you trying to connect to the network. Connection successfully. And also if you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi light is now steady. Then you select OK. So this printer is connected to network and the light is steady blue. If you want to add it to your computer, the next thing to do is to go to laptop start, then select, can check this website hp.com/start/nv6100e. Select on it. You can also use HP Smart App. Then you select Start Setup. Then you select Next. Click Next. Click Next. Then it will ask you to install HP app. Select Install HP app. Install this app to your laptop. Can use HP app or HP Smart App as well. So the app is getting ready. The software is getting ready to the PC. Then select Open. Then select Location. Access location. I'm going to decline optional data. Add a printer. Then select plus. To add a printer, select plus. Choose a printer. So it's going to search for printer on the network. So the printer is found HP Envy online. Then you select on it. Tap check mark on the printer. Then you select allow. Printer privacy, I'm going to decline. HP Plus. I'm going to decline. Do not activate HP Plus. It is not compulsory. Decline HP Plus. Select continue. Registering your printer. Welcome to an HP account. Finishing setup. Get 2 months of free ink. I'm going to decline. Thank you for the offer. Are you sure? Skip the offer. Check if ink and paper installed. Then select continue setup. Fireware update, auto update, recommended, select save. Want to print from other device, select continue. Will show you setup complete. Let's print. Select print. Then select on the printer from the list, then select print, a test page. This is the printer and ink level. Thank you for choosing HP. Print and scan, simplify tasks, get creative. From this HP app, you can scan documents, you can print PDF, you can print photos, printable, and do so many things you prefer to do. You can also connect this printer using HP Smart app as well. This is HP app, so you can scan document, print photo, and do so many things. Thank you very much indeed. This is the full setup guide. Thank you.